Merry Christmas, everyone. Here's TFE52, also known as Thomas the Favorite Engineer is here. And today I got the special Christmas present. 짜잔! Bruce Miller and Terry Gilson, Anya Clarabel, and Dad Cast, my favorite character from Thomas and Friends. Let's open it. Bruce Miller is from RPM. He is painted yellow and orange stripes and blue. My favorite. And here's Terry Gilson. His number is 31. And Bruce Miller is 64. And wow, 아니. Thomas's coaches from Thomas and Friends is one of my favorite characters from Thomas and Friends. And here's clarabel. He's coupled up. Wow, I love this. It's Annie and clarabel. They're my favorite characters from Thomas and Friends. The index up is this. They just here's the Thomas and Friends. That just the set. Here's Thomas, the number one engine. And here's James, but it's different shape. He's a tender engine and it's a tank engine. And here is the yellow tank engine. His numbers looks like Douglas from Donald's brother. And here's Charlie. He's number 3. He's kind of look like Thomas. Yes. And here's Billy and Patsy, my favorite character from Thomas and Friends. Oh, here's Magnet. 네, coupled up. Alright, guys. So, I need to finish the movie fast and I need to finish the episode complete for season 2. And the season 3 is coming in the 2024 in the February 17. So I hope you guys join the Christmas event. So everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. 메리 크리스마스 여러분. 그리고 새해 복 많이 받으세요.